little clump of your slime, and then you drop it on, and if it sticks, it's good. It's slime. If it don't stick, it's not slime. So we're going to be doing that today. Oh my god. It's actually showing my handprint. I like that about it. I like that about it. Okay, so let's drop it. Okay, it actually looks like it's actual real slime. Whoa, that's a bubble. Okay, so it is actual real slime. I'm actually really happy about that. So now we're going to be doing the stretchy test. Okay, it looks like it is stretchy. Slime swirl test. Nailed it! Well, I kind of... But it made a slime swirl, so yeah. Yeah. Really love my slime. I just made it drop. Okay. So now, that was my cup. So now I'm going to be putting like a couple hatch molds in it. Like my favorites, such as these two. These two are my favorite. Okay, so let's put them in there, see if it fits, fold them up in there. Let's see if it actually like sticks onto them. Okay, it is staying. There's one right there, and then the other one is up here. Okay. So it looks like they're staying. So I really like that about it. So yeah. So at the end of, so let's do some vlog talk. So I am going to be vlogging every now and again. I'm not only going to be vlogging like once a month, once a year, or something like that. I'm going to vlog like every once a week. And then hopefully I will turn it into an everyday thing. But we're kind of like doing like some family business. We're moving into a bigger house and stuff like that. So I will be getting back to y'all and letting y'all know more about that. But from now on, we are going to be doing this once a week. When we get everything like situated, I hope that I will be able to vlog every day. So, yeah. Ooh, I think I got a notification. So yeah. Yeah. So that's it for today. But yeah, I really hope I will be able to vlog more. I would really like to like get to talk with y'all. I hope I will be going on tour soon. I know I'm not the best vlogger, but like at least I like do it for like my fans and stuff like that. I know I have like 10 subscribers, but hey, it's better than nothing. I really like that about y'all. Y'all always encourage me to like say, hey, don't let your subscribers get in your way. I really like that, and like if you really care, you would be like, hey, you like go get them or something like that. I'm gonna buy tickets for your tours and stuff like that. And on my tours, I'm going to be doing like slime and like clothing designs and stuff like that. I'm not always going to be doing slimes on my video. I'm going to be doing like clothing. I'm